Repairing a damaged HDMI port on a PlayStation 5 is one of the most technically demanding tasks in the realm of console repair. While the process may seem straightforward, remove the faulty port and replace it with a new one, the reality is far more intricate, especially when it comes to soldering the HDMI pins to the motherboard. At the heart of this repair lies the HDMI connector itself, which features 19 finely spaced pins, each responsible for transmitting critical video, audio, and communication signals. These pins connect to delicate copper pads on the PS5's motherboard. Properly soldering these pins is the single most important factor in ensuring a reliable and long-lasting HDMI signal output. It's also important to note that not every HDMI issue requires replacing the port entirely. Over time, due to repeated plugging and unplugging, pressure on the cable, or thermal expansion from heat, the solder joints on the pins can become weak or develop microfractures. This results in intermittent signal loss, no video output, or flickering screens. In these cases, the HDMI port itself may still be physically intact, but the pins have lifted slightly or lost proper contact with the board. A careful inspection and a precision reflow or resoldering of the pins can restore full functionality without the need for a full replacement. This is where micro-soldering comes into play. Whether you're reattaching a loose pin or replacing the entire port, the process demands an immaculately clean work area, precise control, and extreme attention to detail. Flux is applied to encourage smooth solder flow and prevent oxidation. With the HDMI port aligned or in place, each pin is soldered individually using a fine-tipped soldering iron, a steady hand, and often under the magnification of a microscope. Every pin must form a solid mechanical and electrical bond with its corresponding pad. To the naked eye, a connection may look fine, but under magnification, cold joints, micro-bridges, or dry solder joints become visible. That's why visual inspection under a microscope is non-negotiable in professional-grade repairs. In many cases, technicians will test continuity across each HDMI pin using a multimeter to verify proper contact. Only after every pin is confirmed to be cleanly and securely soldered, no bridges, no gaps, no cold joints, can we be confident the HDMI port, whether repaired or replaced, will function like new. This is the moment where skill, patience, and attention to detail separate a quick fix from a professional repair that lasts. If you're new to soldering HDMI pins or micro soldering in general, it's strongly recommended to practice on scrap boards first. These pins are tiny, and the heat control, solder quantity, and hand stability required demand training and experience. In this repair, we'll walk through every step of that process with an emphasis on pin alignment, solder technique, inspection, and verification, because when it comes to PS5 HDMI port repair, the soldering of the pins isn't just a step, it's the mission-critical core of the entire job. Thanks for watching. Shout out to all my subscribers and special mention to Board Vlogger. Please like and subscribe for more pro-level repair tips, and until next time, keep it precise.